Welcome back to the channel where we make Mediterranean eating simple, delicious, and totally doable for busy people just like you. Today, I'm beyond excited to share something that's going to change how you approach your weekly meal planning forever. Imagine prepping just 3 simple bases at the start of your week and turning them into 7 completely different dinners that taste amazing, keep you satisfied, and stick to true Mediterranean principles. No stress, no waste, no complicated grocery runs midweek. This system works every single week of the year, whether you're a busy parent, working professional, or just someone who wants to eat healthier without the hassle. Let's start by talking about why this works so well for the Mediterranean diet. Mediterranean eating isn't about fancy recipes or rare ingredients, it's about whole foods. Good fats like olive oil, plenty of vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and a little lean protein. This plan captures all of that while keeping your prep time under 30 minutes total on Sunday. You'll save money, reduce food waste, and have dinners ready in 5 minutes or less each night. So let's dive right into those 3 essential bases you make once and use all week. Base number 1, your whole grains. Take your pick quinoa farro, brown rice, or even barley if you want to mix it up. Measure out 2 cups dry, which makes about 6 cups cooked. Rinse it well, add to a pot with 4 cups water or broth, bring to a boil, then simmer covered for 15 to 20 minutes until tender. Fluff with a fork and let it cool. This becomes the hearty foundation for multiple meals. Base number 2, roasted vegetables. Grab 1 large sheet pan. Chop up for medium zucchini, for bell peppers in mixed colors, 2 small eggplants, and 2 red onions all into bite-sized pieces. Drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle with sea salt, black pepper, and maybe a pinch of dried oregano. Spread everything in a single layer and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Flipping halfway through, the natural sugars caramelize and you'll smell the kitchen heaven. Pro tip, make extra because these disappear fast. Base number 3, your protein or legumes. Option A, chickpeas. Drain and rinse for cans. Pat dry, toss with olive oil, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a little salt. Roast right alongside your veggies for the last 10 minutes. Option B, lentils. Cook 1½ cups, dry in 3 cups water with a bay leaf for 20 minutes until tender. Both options keep perfectly in the fridge for 5 days. Now that your bases are ready, let's transform them into 7 incredible dinners. Each one assembles in under 5 minutes, using what you've already prepped. Day 1, chickpea and roasted veggie grain bowl. Start with a generous scoop of your cooked quinoa in a wide bowl. Add a big pile of roasted vegetables and chickpeas. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over everything, about half a lemon per bowl. Drizzle 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle crumbled feta cheese, or a tahini swirl if you prefer it, dairy-free. Toss gently and enjoy warm or cold. This bowl has crunch, creaminess, and perfect Mediterranean tang. Day 2, sheet pan salmon delight. This one's fresh but fast. Line a baking sheet with parchment. Lay Fourn's salmon fillet stew or 3 pieces skinned side down. Scatter halved cherry tomatoes around them. Tuck lemon slices underneath. Drizzle olive oil and sprinkle dried oregano, salt, pepper. Bake at 375 degrees for exactly 12 minutes until the salmon flakes easily. Serve with a handful of baby greens, dressed simply with lemon and olive oil, plus a slice of whole grain bread to soak up those juices. Day 3, big Greek-style chopped salad. Chop romaine lettuce or baby spinach into bite-sized pieces. Add sliced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes cut in half, Kalamata olives, paper-thin red onion slices, crumbled feta, and a handful of your roasted chickpeas. For the dressing, whisk 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper. Toss everything together and serve with warm whole grain pita wedges. Refreshing, filling, and pure Mediterranean summer on a plate. Day 4, hearty lentil vegetable stew. Warm to tablespoons olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add diced carrots, celery, and 1 onion sauté 3 minutes until fragrant. Stir in 1 cup cooked lentils, 1 can diced tomatoes with juices, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon each, cumin and smoked paprika, and half a cup vegetable broth. Simmer 15 minutes until thickened. Finish with chopped fresh parsley and a swirl of olive oil. This warms you from the inside out. Day 5. Hummus Veggie Power Plate. 0 cooking required. Spoon 4 tablespoons hummus into the center of a dinner plate. Arrange sliced carrots, cucumber sticks, bell pepper strips, Kalamata olives, and a 1/4 cup mixed nuts like almonds and walnuts around it. Add a crisp apple or orange slices if you want sweetness. Dip, crunch, repeat, satisfying and stupidly simple. Day 6. Sheet pan chicken and veggies. Slice 1½ pounds chicken breast or thighs into strips. In a bowl, toss with 2 cups leftover roasted veggies, 3 tablespoons olive oil, fresh thyme leaves, rosemary sprigs, salt, pepper. Spread on a parchment-lined sheet pan and bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes until golden and juicy. The chicken absorbs all those roasted vegetable flavors. Ultimate comfort. Day 7. Ultimate clean-out grain and bean bowl. Warm 1 cup grains in a skillet. Stir in half a cup lentils or chickpeas, 1 cup chopped roasted veggies, a big handful fresh arugula or spinach, 2 tablespoons toasted pine nuts or almonds, and lemon olive oil dressing. Toss until greens wilt slightly and everything warms through. This bowl uses every last bit of your prep, 0 waste. There you have it, friends, your complete 7-day Mediterranean meal system built on 3 simple Sunday preps. You'll save hours during the week, spend less at the grocery store, and feel amazing eating real food that nourishes your body. If this helped you, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more simple Mediterranean meal ideas, and save this video to come back to every single week. Most importantly, grab your free printable grocery list and 7-day meal plan PDF right now in the description below. It has everything you need, including quantities, exact prep instructions, and shopping tips. Print it, stick it on your fridge, and let me know in the comments how your week goes. Thanks for watching. Eat well, live better. See you next time.